Hey guys, and welcome to this video where Oscar here would like to be in frame. There we go. Okay, so today we're making bubbles. So what you'll need is a plate or a bowl. I'm doing a plate because I don't feel like cleaning a bowl after this. A water bottle, a cup if you don't want to waste water. Oh, the water bottle doesn't have to be full. And soap. 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 If you just want to mess around with soap, then that is fine. So first, get your, and you're gonna need scissors. Let's see, do I have scissors in here? No, I don't. Dang it. Guess I have to get up now. Snippy, snippy, boys. Here we are. Okay. Oops. Microwaves, am I right? So you're gonna need to take your water bottle and you're gonna want to pour the water out and set the water aside. What you're gonna want to do is cut the end off your water bottle. Or not the end, the bottom. And it has to be this side, I think, at least. It has to be. And then you wanna, so you have the bottom all the way cut off, like that. Then you wanna pour the water, or wait, wrong step. So then you take the soap and you put some on the plate. Gotta be dish soap, I think. I'm not sure. You can try other soaps. It'll probably work with other soaps. If you're like me, you can just mess around and have fun putting the soap on. And to show you guys, I will show you in a second. Just let me have some fun. Got it, and here we go. Now you want to cover the plate, and I'm doing this so that when I show you guys, it drips down. So let me do the other side with that design. There we go, and then we do pink. Boom. I love dish soap. I don't know why. It's just cool. Okay. Then, so here we go. And I'm just gonna spin it around, so it gets in the middle. And it doesn't fall off the plate. Boop. That's good enough. That's my friend Johnny. Let's see, I'm just gonna spread it some more on the plate. I regret this because now my fingers are soapy, but it's fun, so. And now my dog is barking. We love bad recording. Ow. We love interrupted recording. So you're not going to need all the water. Oh, and it doesn't matter what size water bottle you use. And you're just going to pour some of it on. Like that. Oh, and you'll probably want a utensil of some sort. Like, that's not where the utensils are. Plastic utensils are, because you again don't feel like cleaning. I'm just gonna grab a plastic spoon and mix it around. Now, if you're like me and you like bubbles, then this is gonna be fun. But I might pour some of this water out. Let's see. And just the bit I used might be too much. Or I'll just add more dish soap, because that's always fun. I've come to a conclusion. More dish soap. I don't know why my family doesn't use the purple dish soap. It's weird, but whatever. More for me to make bubbles with. I was the one who picked out colored dish soap. Well, me getting sidetracked. Okay. Then you're gonna wanna dunk this in. Make sure room is covered. And
should I drop off Cooper? Should I drop off Cooper? Oh my god, could I do this, babe?
no,
So hi guys, I'm her brother,
he's my friend.
sister. I'm her brother.
Okay, guys. Turns out I did the recipe wrong. Probably, most likely.
We're gonna add a little bit more soap.
That's my job. I get to add soap.
I get to blow.
No, this water bottle has my DNA-ness on it.
She has HIVs.
No, I don't.
I'm gonna show you a sexy
I might have a cold though.
place.
Help me, guys. It's not working. Let's try more dish soap. Oh, la, 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 la. See, whoop. Whoop. We love Friends, don't we? Let's see, does it work now that there's way more dish soap than water? Ratios, yay. Let's go. Oh guys, I'm playing Can Your Pet. Or I played it last night. Video coming out soon. It's a bad game, don't play it. Don't play Can Your Pet. Please don't. And that is how you do bubbles. Bubbles, guys. So now you can do that instead of cleaning your dishes. Normal person makes this video 3 minutes long. Me. We're not doing that. Oh no. The soap got on the mouthpiece. We'll just dunk it in this water over here. Make it all better. Yay. It's fun. Okay, guys, bye. See you next video, which is probably Can Your Pet, coming out later today, hopefully, if my editing software agrees with me. And goodbye.